Let's talk about the next miracle in roofing. At least that's what the marketing claims. 7 years ago, it was single ply. 5 years ago, it was two-part urethane. And now, silicone coating. A new year brings a new cure-all from the same manufacturers. Something that's supposed to work on everything, to fix every leak and solve every problem. But here's the reality of silicone coating. It's unproven. It's a coating, not a roof, and it's not reinforced. So whatever was failing before keeps failing. Seams don't stop moving, substrates don't stop shifting, and the problems don't go away. They're covered, and that's why it looks great at first. But this is where it turns, because silicone coating becomes a trap. Once you install it, you're stuck with it. It changes the surface into something that nothing can bond to. So when you need to repair it, you don't have options. You have limitations. Repairs get harder, they become more expensive and less reliable, and that leads to an outcome that nobody talks about. Premature tear-off. Not because the roof system underneath failed, but because nothing can go on top of silicone coating. So now you're removing it, disposing of it in a landfill, and replacing it with a brand new roof system earlier than you should. That's the cycle, a short-term solution at a long-term price. So the question is simple: why install something that puts you on that path when WeatherWeld was designed to eliminate it? A roof that's designed to be installed one time and last for the lifetime of your building. WeatherWeld is a fully reinforced roof that's 1/4 of an inch thick with embedded fiberglass that's installed like a bathtub from the top of the wall to the bottom of the drain. Seamless, strong, serviceable, simple, and sustainable. WeatherWeld is designed to remain repairable without creating adhesion barriers or limiting future options. It has a 40-year leak-free warranty that's super simple. If your roof leaks, we fix it. Because the goal isn't to buy a roof in 10 years, it's to install the roof once and be done. This video is showing a actual silicone coating installation that was installed less than 5 years ago that's prematurely failed, and this roof is slated to be torn off down to the deck and replaced with a new roof system.
That's what happens when you put silicone on your roof. It looks good on paper, and then once they install it, now the only option for this is a complete tear off.
If silicone coating was not installed on this roof, the original built-up roof underneath would have been a perfect candidate to install something like WeatherWeld over the top of that would have eliminated removal for the lifetime of this building.